Welcome. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps of archiving a chat on Messenger using your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to messenger.com. Step 2. Once on the Messenger website, navigate to the Home section and click on Messenger in the left menu. Step 3. Look for the Chats section on the left side of the screen. Hover your cursor over the conversation you want to archive. Step 4. When you see 3 dots appear next to the chat, click on them. Step 5. A drop-down menu will appear. Select the option that says Archive Chat and click on it. And that's it. You have successfully archived a chat on Messenger using your PC. It's a handy way to declutter your chat list while still keeping your conversations accessible. Give it a try next time you want to tidy up your Messenger inbox. Remember, archiving a chat doesn't delete it. It simply moves it to the archived folder for later reference. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more useful tips and tutorials.